got these earrings from? Well, I got them on Shopsy. And you know the secret? I got them absolutely free. Download the Shopsy app by Flipkart and get
extra rupees 100 off
on your first order.
Shopsy is an app by Flipkart where you get to earn money on every order. Shopsy has over 15 crore latest and best quality products from across fashion, electronics, beauty, mobiles, and more at up to 80% off. You can shop for yourself or others on Shopsy and earn commissions on every order. It's very simple to use. Just browse, shop, and earn on every order. Your earned commission on every order gets credited to your Shopsy account, which you can withdraw anytime. Isn't that awesome? Also, don't forget to shop more, earn big during the Big Billion Days on Shopsy from 3rd to 10th October.
So check out the amazing deals that they have going on fashion, electronics, mobiles, and more, starting at just ₹99, only on the Shopsy app. So what are you waiting for? You literally get rewarded for shopping. Download the Shopsy app, link in the description, and I'll see you later. Bye.